So if you keep getting interrupted at night, like some of the physicians who are on call at night and they get a page every hour, every couple of hours, but they still get 8 or 10 hours of sleep, but with small interruptions, how does that hurt the sleep cycle and the benefits of sleep long term?
So, interruptions or sleep fragmentation, for one reason or the other, is actually would have some effect on the daytime activities. For example, let's take an exaggerated example of sleep apnea, in which there is a lot of sleep fragmentation, or somebody has taken too much alcohol, or you mentioned too much awakenings. It does have an effect on the quality of sleep, basically. And when you wake up, you may feel more tired, not as refreshed as you would have felt without doing so. Definitely, if you wear, for example, an Aura ring or an Apple Watch, you will see it will correlate to some extent to your quality of sleep, how much deep sleep you had, how much REM sleep you had, or core body or core sleep you had. So that will translate into how much groggy you're feeling when you're waking up. Do you have a morning headache? Do you feel irritable? You're not feeling as fresh as you would have felt. And you would have felt, me and you have gone through it for last 2 decades, how much that interruption with those pagers. I honestly, I have difficulty for going back to sleep. And some people they just don't wake up with how much you page them or call them. So it is individualized, but generally speaking, any interruption that you have, you wake up, you may be in REM, you're waking up, and then you may have delayed that cycle again. So it's not natural or physiological.